Well, greetings, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And today is a special video for my Mopar enthusiasts. Just trying to wrap up a little project that I've been working on for the 1970 Dodge Challenger. I have a JS23 V code, which is a 446 pack with a 4-speed manual. It's one of 847. And one of the last little things on the interior that I wanted to fix was this little Challenger dash pad logo. So I have the original dash. I have the original Challenger script that's embossed into the dash pad itself. And I have no intentions on upgrading or replacing these. I mean, it's only original once. And one of the issues that I've seen, along with other people, is, this is normally wiped clear of its chrome finish. And it probably happened like the first year of owning the vehicle. I mean, between chemicals on the dash or window cleaner or ammonia, yeah, that chrome finish wiped off pretty quick. And I did buy a couple of these replacement emblems, and let me tell you, they are crap. So the font's not correct. The Challenger script is too thick, and they just look horrible. This was the better of the two, and you can see this chrome foil that's kind of like heat stamped on there. It's already pitted and it's already flaking off, so I would imagine this is not going to last too much longer than the original did. And you can really tell when people upgrade these. I guess they just pop that off instead of unscrewing it in the back, and just stick that on there. And I mean, looks like crap. So what I did was I actually got some metal laser cut decal overlays made. Now these are nickel finished, so they're polished chrome. They're adhesive, and they are on basically like a decal overlay. So you can take this, lay it on top, and yeah, then you'll have that finish that is not going to wipe off these. So we're going to take this and give it a test fit, make sure it looks good, and if everything works out, yeah, I figured, well, there's a couple thousand vehicles out there, so I had plenty of them made up. So let's give that a shot and see how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, so getting things lined up. This is basically what you have, and then just pull this back. And there you go. So as you can see, that's a nice chrome metal, polished nickel finished, laser cut Challenger emblem, the way it should look. And again, this is not going to wear off or flake off, or because there's nothing to flake off. And like I said, if you happen to be wiping this or something, catch a little corner, something, and pull these off, yeah, they're not too terribly expensive to yeah, go at it again. So let me know what you guys think. Better than original.